안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will discuss vocabulary from 101 to 120. If you did not watch the video of 81 to 100, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. Our first word is age. Na-i. 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 Small. Chug-un. 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 Mistake. Silsu. 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 Today. Onal. 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 Yesterday. OJ. 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 Tomorrow. Nail. 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 Week. Chew. 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 Ear. Nyan. 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 Second. Cho. 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 Minute. Bun. 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 Time. Shigan. 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 Clock. Shige. 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 Calendar. Dalyog. 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 To do. Hada. 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 To go. Khada. 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 Where. Odi. 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 When. Onje. 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 Who. Nugu. 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 What. Mo. Mo. First we use miam, after that we use double consonant wo. Mo. How. Otoke. 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 So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.